Chili. I would like to share with you a very simple vegetarian recipe made of cauliflower and chana dal. Cauliflower is very easily available and it stays fresh in the refrigerator for almost a week. This dish is very nutritious and easy to make. So let's get started. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Oil 2 tablespoons. Mustard seeds, cumin seeds, chana dal and urad dal. This is for tempering. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Few coriander leaves chopped. 1 onion diced. 1 tomato diced. Around half a cup of chana dal soaked in water for 30 minutes. 1 small cauliflower diced into small florets. So let's take a quick look at the IP settings. Turn on saute mode and wait for a minute for the inner pot to heat up. Once the liner is hot, add oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, chana dal and urad dal. And if you don't have any of these, it's perfectly alright to skip them. Once the cumin seeds splutter, add onions. To help the onions cook faster, add some salt. Once the onions turn translucent, add ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and make sure the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Drain all the water from the dal and keep it aside. Once the ginger garlic paste has been cooked well, add your dal into this and fry the dal for a minute. You will notice the dal changing color and a good nice nutty aroma. Once you notice the nutty aroma and you're sure that dal is fried well in the oil, add your red chili powder and let the red chili powder fry in the oil for just a minute so that it's cooked well. And then add your florets and just mix this all together. Once they're all mixed nicely, add your tomatoes. Now mix it again. And after you let this fry for 2 minutes, add around 1 cup of water. At this point, scrape the bottom thoroughly and make sure nothing is stuck to the bottom. You can close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn off your saute mode. Turn on pressure cook and set it to low and set it to 3 minutes. And make sure your whistle is in sealing mode. So I have let the pressure release naturally for around 6 minutes. Now I'm going to do a quick release. Once the valve is down, open the lid. Cauliflower is cooked to a right consistency. Now I'm going to turn on saute mode and add your garam masala powder and add coriander powder. Stir it very gently because it's very tender and delicate and it might break the florets even further. I'm going to let this simmer for around 4 minutes until the liquid evaporates and the curry thickens. You can see all the moisture has evaporated and the oil rising up. Turn off Instant Pot. Hit cancel button. Add chopped cilantro leaves and this is ready to be served. You can serve this curry with either rice or chapatis. So that's it guys. Your simple cauliflower recipe is done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.